What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video here on Automotive Therapy. Well, yeah, we've got some big changes coming and we're ending a big chapter in my life. Let me explain. So these last few days, I've been packing up a lot of stuff. My apartment is crazy. We'll go ahead and take a look right now what my apartment looks like. Here's my apartment. I've got my desk all taken apart, sitting right there. Just a bunch of stuff on my counter. Bed frame's taken apart, coffee table gone. This place looks crazy being like so empty. Yeah, just moving and getting everything ready to head on out of this place. Back to the garage. Anyways, I'm now in my garage where I'm gonna start clearing everything out. And I think you guys are knowing where this is going to. So I am saying goodbye to this garage, my apartment and everything. It wasn't supposed to happen this soon, but yeah, I am leaving my lease. There's just a couple of things that just aren't working out right now for me with the apartment and just where I'm living right now. So yeah, we had to make some changes, and it's really sad because I started my YouTube channel in this garage, and when I first bought my M4, you know, I brought it to this apartment, and this car has just been so connected to where I'm living, and it's really sad to say goodbye to everything that I've, you know, built and filmed and, you know, just really enjoyed in this garage. So yeah, we're saying goodbye to it. Now, a little bit about myself. This was my first apartment, my first time living on my own, and I really connected with this. This was a big chapter in my life. My whole family moved across the country. I moved down here by myself into this new apartment, new city for me. And yeah, you know, I just had to transition a lot of things. So, and within the last, you know, almost 2 years of living here, I've, you know, I had a dream job. I bought my dream car. I've gone through a lot of ups and downs, experienced a lot of crazy things. I've met a lot of new people, and we've all hung out at my apartment and at my garage and everything. So it's been really fun. As a lot of you guys remember, a few months ago, I did lose my job, and that is a factor to me saying goodbye to all of this. After losing my job, that was my main source of income. It paid all the bills. It made life a little easy. So after losing that, it definitely, you know, humbled myself, because I realized that job security is a real thing. You never know when you're gonna lose your job. So unfortunately, the place that I'm living at right now is just too expensive for me to afford at this time. It literally came down to me selling my car and keeping the place, or me getting rid of the place and keeping the car. Obviously, I have so many goals and ambitions with this YouTube channel, and this is just my baby. Like, I can't get rid of this car. Like, it's given me so many cool experiences, and I'm just not ready to say goodbye to this car. So it's just my car and myself, and we're gonna go take on a new chapter. So as you can tell, I still have all my stuff in my garage. I'm gonna start packing all of this up. I'm getting it ready to move out of this place. I only have a few days left, so yeah, just kind of, you know, preparing myself for everything to be all cleared out. Now, this is changing my life in so many ways, but I'm honestly more excited than scared, because what I want to do is continue to take you guys on my journey. My car and I lost my job. I've had to figure out how to keep the car. I've had to figure out how to keep my house. Well, now I'm getting rid of the apartment, so now it's just me and my car right now. And the journey is just gonna start with, we're gonna document this whole process. It's exciting. I'm gonna show you guys my transition into better and bigger things that are coming. So in a few months, probably 2 to 3 months, I'm gonna be announcing something pretty crazy. I'm taking on a big journey, and it's gonna involve me and my car. So you guys are gonna have to wait and see what I'm planning. Right now, I have to save up a little money for it, but without a doubt, I am taking you guys on a crazy journey, and it's never been done before. So yeah, we're gonna see how that all goes, but you guys will have to stay tuned for that. Pretty much all of the parts on this car were all filmed in this garage. So that's just crazy, super crazy. All these marks and dirt and everything, all from that car, because this is a brand new garage when I first started using it. Nobody else used this garage, so I was the first one to use it, and I think we left a good mark on this garage with everything that we did with it. So yeah, now would be a great time to thank you guys for subscribing and liking and commenting on all my videos. it makes the algorithm on YouTube push my channel out more, and we're growing pretty fast. You guys helped me accomplish my first goal, which is hitting 1,000 subscribers. So just get ready, guys. I mean, the journey is just starting now, so we're about to have some crazy videos with my life and owning an M4. I'm pretty excited for it, and I hope you guys are too. I honestly just can't believe like how far we've come with everything. You know, I've only been doing YouTube for almost a year now, and there's just been so many crazy experiences and parts that have just been roller coasters going up and down, and it's really shaped me as a person. Yeah, this place has been awesome. You know, it was my first place, and really gonna miss it. Made a lot of fun memories here, so, but life just does its thing, and you just gotta move on and see what the next chapter holds. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and taking the time to listen to me. Yeah, we're saying goodbye to the current chapter, and we are moving on to the next one. But with each chapter, we're only gonna get better and better at what we wanna do. And I'm not going anywhere, guys, so don't worry. We are keeping the channel, we're keeping the car, and I have nothing. I can't even sleep at night because I have so many ideas running through my head that I just wanna get out there and start getting things done and making my dreams happen. So if you guys want to support me, I have a few of you guys, which thank you so much for the guys who are my Patreons down below. If you guys want to hop on it and join me, it seriously does support me, and it's really cool. I mean, that you guys choose me and decide to, you know, put a little money towards me every month to help me get better and just make all of this realistic and make it happen. So that will be linked down below. But with all that being said, thank you guys for watching. I will look forward to you guys in the next upload, but things are only gonna get better from here. So I look forward to everything, and I hope you guys do too. Peace out.